So questions: which of the following molecules represents the order of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp, sp from left to right? So in order to calculate the order of hybridization, we have to first calculate the value of H, which is basically number of sigma bonds and adding number of lone pairs. So if this value comes at 4, if H is equal to 4, then it will be sp hybridization, and if this value comes at 3, so the hybridization will be 2, and if it's 2, the hybridization will be sp. So now let's calculate the from the question. So as we can see here, it is HC, and then we have triple bond. So here the sigma bonds will be 1 and 1 with H, so there will be 2, so it will be sp. First hybridization is sp, but in the question it is given that the first order is sp2, so this is the wrong option. We will look at here. There it will form 3 bonds with this H and then 1 bond with this, so there are total the value of H will be 4, and it will form sp3, which is also does not satisfy the question. And in the option 3 there are two H bonds, so 2 sigma bonds with H and then one with C. So there is 3, the value of H is 3, so it will form sp2, and it does satisfy the question. So, and if you move on to next carbon atom, it will also form sp2, so this also matches the question. But on the third carbon atom, it will form 1 2 and 1 2 and 3, it will form sp2, so this does not satisfy the question. So this should be correct answer. Let's calculate CH2 1 2 and 3. So the first will be sp2, and then on the second carbon atom, one sigma bond with H, one with this, and one with C, so it will also be sp2. And in this third carbon atom, to form one sigma bond from here, then we get one sigma bond from here, so the value of H is 2, so it will form sp. And same as here, it will form one sigma bond here and one from with H, so the H will be 2, so this is also sp, and this satisfies the question. So option 4 is the answer.